nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw Hello Kitty. Subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new lesson. Now we will need any paper, pencil, an eraser and something with which you will color. Now let's look at the picture.
Our kitty has a head, ears, hairpin flower, body, paws, and our kitty is dressed. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, ears, hairpin flower, body, paws, and our kitty is dressed. Okay, let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Just put on your paper you like. I will start over here, right in the middle. We are gonna draw a big U shape. We go down, curve right, and up. Big U shape. Pay attention, these lines are on same level. Then let's draw a hairpin flower. Draw a small circle at the top right side of the head. Little circle. Come around, come back up to the top and connect it.
Good job! You're doing great!
Then we're gonna draw the petals. Draw 5 arcs around the circle. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, honey, you're doing great. The next step is the ears. Draw upside down V shape on the left side. V shape. And the same step on the right side. Further, we don't draw a line because there's hairpin and kitty's ear behind the hairpin. Then let's connect the ears. We start over here on the left side, go right and stop near the hairpin.
Okay, good job. Take your time. Don't rush. Pause the video and continue when you are ready.
Now let's draw the eyes. 2 dots in the middle. The first and the second. The nose oval in the middle between the eyes. Oval. Now let's draw kitty's mustache. 3 short lines on the left side. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. And the same step on the right side. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, good job! I like your line. Our Hello Kitty is almost ready. Keep it up. You're doing great.
Then let's draw kitty's body. Draw G shape on the right side, under the head, and backwards G shape on the right side. Now let's draw kitty's paws. I start over here, draw short diagonal line on the left side, then small arc, and C shape it connects to the body. Then let's draw the same thing on the right side but mirror all the lines. Diagonal line, then small arc and backward C shape. Now let's add claws. U shape over here, long horizontal line right here, vertical line for paws, and short diagonal lines over here for sleeves on the left side and on the right side.
Wow, you drew your Hello Kitty so well. I like it. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram or Facebook. Take me a photo, Nanny Julie art. I will see the drawing and answer to show your message. Now let's color it together. You can choose any color you like.
Now I choose yellow for the heart of the flower and nose.
Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it.
Then bright pink for petals and short. The first step is tracing. Try to stay inside the lines. The next step is coloring inside.
If you missed a spot, fill in it with color.
Now I choose dark pink for overalls. I'm tracing again. And coloring inside.
Wow, you did awesome on coloring and drawing Hello Kitty. You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing and coloring with me. Try my other videos YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my Patreon for cute coloring page and private drawing lessons for kids. See you. Bye bye.